Hey guys, welcome back to the Play Highway. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make an end portal in Minecraft.
With me!
Drayton 923. But the things you are going to need is an end portal and an eye of ender. It's very easy.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take the end portal and put it like this, like I'm doing right now. This is what you want to do, guys.
You're on. Oops.
Sorry for my thing. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Okay, there we go.
So he is putting it in like that. There are 12 blocks. You need 12 end portals in all.
And you don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it right now. And you don't need lava like you find it. So what you want to do is you want to take your eye of ender and place it down. Here, zoom in a little closer. So you see right here, there is a little white dot at the end of this end portal.
Right where the
facing-
circle.
Yeah,
Right
you-
where the circle is circling.
Yeah, you want that to be facing you, okay?
You want that to be facing into the end place.
And yes, you want it to be facing you, and you can't do it from, let's say, this way because it'll turn it. Oh, never mind. So you can just keep on doing it.
Yes.
You just do that, and if it turns the wrong way, you just break it, put another one down, and then boom.
Yep.
And it just does that. Here, hop out of there.
Okay, sorry.
No, it's fine. Okay, and then, so all of those are done.
So now I'm going to do the last three. Oops.
Yep, Blaze is gonna do the last three for y'all. Okay, Blaze. Ready?
One.
Yep. Oh,
Oops.
so
I keep on accidentally throwing it.
yep, it always has to be facing you. Remember that. Here, let me use another block. I don't know why I used
It's not working!
I put a respawn anchor, I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to place it on that. We are about to turn into the end portal. 3, 2, 1, go.
See, and there you go. That is how you make an end portal in
And we are just going to show you the Ender Dragon and how to defeat it too. Well, it's not how to defeat it. We are just going to.
Yes.
We are just going to show you and how to respawn it.
Yep. Alright, so what you gotta do first, if this is like for beginners,
So
you first want to break these end crystals because that is what heals the dragon. Here, Blade, go hurt the dragon real quick.
this.
Hurt the dragon real quick.
Okay, I will.
Just hurt the dragon real quick like this.
So
Listen, and then when that white thing goes to the crystal, see it heals. So you gotta destroy every single crystal.
before you do it, or
Yes.
it'll always be healed.
Here, man, help me with this.
So all you just have to tap it.
And if you're in survival during this,
You
I
have-
recommend
you
a
have to-
bow or a crossbow with some arrows. Make sure you have plenty of arrows, or you can just get some blocks and
Oh my gosh! Right when and a little tip, break the crystal whenever it's trying to heal the dragon, because
that is a little tip. Yes, when it gets
Because-
close to the crystal,
it'll heal it, and then whenever you destroy the crystal, it explodes it starts to explode the dragon.
Alright,
Okay,
Blake.
I am gonna get another ice. I don't care about it.
take another axe. I recommend.
Why?
They're just- We're not pros at Minecraft, but this is just a little beginning. Now we're just gonna kill the dragon.
He's on PC and I'm on iPad. You can do this on anything
Any
if it's
mobile,
if
Nintendo
it's-
Switch, Xbox, PlayStation,
Yes.
PC, anything.
PlayStation and PCs are the same thing.
Okay, now after we kill the dragon, we're gonna go over to that place over there. Now it has a
We are going to tell you about the end city in another video.
Yes, that is perfect, and we will probably do that
Or today, we don't know.
maybe after we upload this
Yeah.
video. Make sure to stick with us.
But we are going to keep on killing the Ender Dragon. But we are going to fast forward this part.
Yes, we are. We are
We're gonna fast forward in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, guys, we just killed the Ender Dragon. Now look how much XP. Right here. Look how much. It's raining XP. It's raining EXP.
We are so cringy. We are sorry for the cringe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications to see when
Yes.
more videos come out. Bye.
Stick with us.